Since the first coronavirus case was reported in the country, the number of Kenyans traveling to their rural homes has surged tremendously. And as the number of infected cases continue to rise across the country, the stringent measures taken by the government to contain the spread of the pandemic has seen incomes for most Kenyans shrink. This has forced some people, especially in rural Kenya, to turn to illegal activities in order to earn a living.
The neighboring community are the most vulnerable. They are most poor, and they depend on natural resources almost on a daily basis. And actually, for most of them, they want to come to the forest, be able for their own survival and livelihood. It also has meant that also crime rate has also gone up in terms of people wanting to come into drawing their livelihood.
Kenya Forest Service Chief Conservator of Forests Julius Kamau says the change of fortunes among the Kenyan population has had negative effects on ongoing efforts to conserve the country's forest cover.
Of course, because any community has some elements that will totally come and attempt to do some illegality, whether it's charcoal burning, whether it's illegal grazing, whether it's illegal logging. But we get information in hand from the same community, plus our own intelligence, basically, and we are able most likely, on most cases, to deter these kind of illegalities.
Kamau calling on communities living adjacent to the forest to stop illegal activities and partner with KFS to protect the critical resource.
What we have done as Kenya Forest Service is, first of all, appreciating that we have to work with the communities, the community forest associations. We don't have enough rangers to guard every single tree in the country. That we know. And therefore, our model is to engage with the communities and make them our friends and our allies.
This even as he revealed that they're in the process of rolling out livelihood improvement programs as part of efforts geared towards empowering communities.
Most of the program that we are working together with our partners, including our own resources, we have actually dedicated to do some livelihood improvement program for the community living around the forest. If we did this and change their livelihood, they will be able to have less dependency on forest resources. And basically that to us is a long-term investment that we must be able to work today.
For Channel 1 News, I am Emily K. Bade.